There we go. Mic check, mic check. Hope you can hear me. Alrighty, human powered vehicle frame team. I'm gonna give you guys the quick rundown on how to flatten out a weldment. So right here, we can see I already got started. I have my 3D sketch. I have two intersecting weldments. One of them is trimmed. So the very first part here is I'm gonna take this trim extend one. I'm gonna right click it. I'm gonna hit insert into new part. I'll hit check. It's gonna send our trim extend out. And whatever that says, it's going to send it out into a new part where it's isolated. We can see, let's see here. Let me just name something. So here is our part. What we want to do is flatten the surface in order to glue it onto the pipe so we could do our pipe coping. So first things first, this is the interesting step here. We're going to go sketch, 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 and I'm actually going to slice and dice this pipe to create an edge for the surfaces tool. So what I can do here is click on the center and just like that. Actually, I'm going to go a little farther out. And then we can go like there to there. And then, ideally, this guy is going to be, the smaller it is, the more accurate it's going to be. So I'll try and make it almost like infinitesimally small. So like 0.001. Real small guy. Features, extruded cut. And we'll just through all it. So now we have our itty bitty slice through the side of the pipe. Now I need to go to the surfaces tool. I'm gonna hit surface flatten. Surface to flatten is the exterior of the pipe. Now you select a flattening edge. So we'll zoom in right on this edge just so we can get it. Go back to selection. And I'm gonna click right there. And I'm gonna go high accuracy because I have the power. Got the juice to do it. So I'll do it. And it's gonna think for a second here while it meshes it up. There you go. Holy mackerel. I'll hit check for the flatten. Come on. It's going to think again while my computer melts inside. And it's going to think some more. There we go. It's done thinking. Now I'll right click on the body. We'll hide it. And then just to center up my view, I'm going to try and sketch from this plane here. Sketch right there. That way I know my view is perpendicular to that plane. And now I'm going to go file and then big drive. Oh yeah, exit the sketch. Gotta exit the sketch. File, make drawing from part. Now here's the other, I guess, little trick part is I'm actually use a custom sheet size. I'm gonna select 8.5 by 11, make sure it's in inches because sometimes it is in millimeters. I can hit OK. I'm gonna go over to the one. I'm gonna go current view because I know it's perpendicular. Scale 1:1. And now when you print it, file print, should be good to go. And that is how you flatten out a weldment so you could do pipe coping with it. Thank you very much for following along, and that is it.